Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine and I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to this channel guys. It's your guy here for the Forex Miracle Robots. Behind the charts, cracked file, unlimited versions, Nasdaq Ghost Robots, all indicators that we use, all platinums, and the signal server provider, the best signal server provider in the whole world. As you can see guys, I'm updating you again. This we took Euro AUD. I gave the signal to the VIP signal students today. Euro AUD, telling you that Euro is strong. If you check in the box here, you can see that Euro was going up all the way today, and this is on 1 hour time frame. So let's check the signal now. This is the best signal server system where it will give you the entry. Can you see the buy entry here? Can you see it? Look at the buy entry. What happened when you entered here? TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6 and TP7. It's telling you that stop here. The system will tell you stop here. So guys, all of you need this system. Everyone, you all need this system. I will drop the link. I will drop the link today in the open groups and everything so that you guys will benefit from this system. You will buy it, purchase it, and then you will make money in Forex trading. Say goodbye to losses. Say goodbye to losses. You are ready to win 2023. So now, before talking too much, let's go to the Telegram group and see what happened. Why we bought Euro AUD? Why? Let me show you when I send the signal. This is the VIP signal group, as you can see. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. Wait. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. Wait, because I want everything to look at it here. Look at the time. 1540. Euro AUD scalp buy. What happened? We straight went into profit. Look. Into profit. You see, this is the group. Students are asking question. Euro AUD still strong. Yes, making over 3,000 US dollars. Look at this. Just with this signal. This is absolutely amazing. Students also made it. Students also made it. Not bad. Profits is better than losses. So yes, join my team and you will be winning. Join my team and you will be winning. You will be winning. You see, it hit up to TP7. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely. These were the last positions. Oh my God. Guys, you all need this system. This is from a very powerful company and a very good company that also provides signals and assist students. Yes, so I am a partner. So I will drop the link in the open group so everyone can benefit. So just look at this. With this system, look, we are able to make 3,608 US dollars just with this system. Just with this best signal server provider in the whole world. You are not going to lose in forex trading because you will know when to enter and where to close and how to make money. So join my team and you will start winning. So there is a package. There is a package there is a package currently running right now. Let me show you before on the 31st just to help everyone make it. This is the full package. This is for non-students. This is all you have to understand. 2023 special softwares, full package. You see it. All indicators, all robots, part of private groups, top customer support, and free 3 months VIP group. Price is currently 100 euros until 31st of December. Can you see it down here? 31st of December, price is going back up. Yes, between 250 euros to 300. So secure your spot now. 400 euros and you will get all this thing. Nobody is going to give you this in forex trading. Nobody is going to give you all these robots, private groups, top customer support, free 3 months VIP signal group, fundamental signals and technical signals. Nobody is going to give you this for 100 euros. So if I am you now, secure your spot for 100 euros and you get all this thing ready for 2023. So guys, join the winning team if you want to make money in forex trading. Join my team. May God bless everyone. Keep on supporting this channel. Like, share, and subscribe. May God bless everyone. Have a nice morning, nice afternoon, nice evening, wherever you are. And I hope to see you in the winning team soon. If you were losing in forex trading, now it's time to make money. It's time to recover. It's time for you to pay back to your broker so that they will be sending you money. You will be withdrawing money. Don't just deposit and you will not withdraw. So guys, God will bless everyone once you join my team. I will be so happy to see you join the winning team. Yes, to join the winning team, guys. So thank you very much, guys, and have a nice morning, nice afternoon, wherever you are. God bless everyone. Please support this channel, like, share, and subscribe. You will all get this system. You will soon get this system and all robots that we use, so you will start making money. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. God bless everyone. I'm out.